Good day everyone. We are here to learn about Python programming in object-oriented programming. Halina't makinig tayo at matuto. A tuple is like a container that holds a collection of items. You can think of it as a box that you can fill with different things, like a lunchbox that holds a sandwich, an apple, and drink. The key things to remember about tuples are immutable. Once you create a tuple, you can change its contents. This is different from a list, which you can modify, add, remove, or change items. Ordered. The items in a tuple have specific order. If you put something in first, it stays in that position. Can hold different data types. A tuple can contain items of different types, like integers, strings, or even other tuples. The items inside a list are ordered. This means that the position of each element is fixed, so you can access items using their index position in the list, starting from 0 for the first item. Think of it as a numbered shelf where each item has a specific place.
Tuples are immutable sequences in Python that is, once created, elements cannot be changed, added to, or removed from a tuple. Tuples are useful to group together multiple values like lists but have the added property that their content cannot be modified. They are defined by putting elements inside parentheses separated by commas.
Tuples examples. Prutas katumbas equals papaya, avocado, mangga, lançons. Tuples commands. Access item, tuple in access items to the index between the bracket, index number. Print prutas, isa, prints the item avocado. Print prutas, negatibo isa, prints the last item lançons. Print prutas, isa, dalawa, prints the item avocado. Print prutas, dalawa, prints the item papaya, avocado. Print prutas, isa, prints the item avocado, manga, lançons. Tuples updates. Once a tuple is made, you can change the values item on your tuple. Tuple are unchangeable, or sometimes called immutable. But you can convert tuple into list, and convert back the list into tuple. Change the tuple into list, add your item using append, and convert it back to tuple. Change the tuple into list, remove your item using remove, and convert it back to tuple. Change the tuple into list, delete your item using del, and convert it back to tuple.
Guys, gawa muna tayo ng tuples at lagyan natin yung value ng variable natin na prutas ng mga value ng tuples natin. So, tuples pala ay ginagamitan ng parentheses, no? So in between ng parentheses na yan is yung mga value natin. Kita nyo sa video, yan yung mga value na natin: papaya, avocado, mangga, lançones. At ngayon naman is paano dito makikita nyo yung mga commands natin kung saan ina-access natin yung mga tuple value natin. So yan pala yung nasa bracket na yan, yung value ng 1 is yan yung index value number natin. So mayroong iba't ibang klase ng uri ng pagtawag ng tuples using our index value. Ito yung papakita natin sa video natin ngayon. At yung print and \n pala is ito naman is you will go to the next line, no? Punta tayo ng next line. Ayan. Dito sa video na to makikita nyo mayroon tayong problem na code dito, no? Kasi yung ginamit natin dito sa prutas is comma. Dapat pala dito yung ginamit natin is colon. So i-correct natin yan. Okay. So ayan, makikita natin yung error. Okay, so error command ni spider. So yan, change to colon. Makikita na natin yung mga value na dyan sa right side ng console 1. Yun lang, salamat. Thank you for watching. And for today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and bell notification.